welcome back to my channel. Today is another Stitchfix unboxing. This is my third Stitchfix. Unfortunately, I didn't tape the other ones. The first box was really good. Second box, not so much. So this is my third box. If you don't know about Stitchfix, it's $25 for the styling fee. They send you 5 products. It could be shoes, jewelry, clothing, etc., handbags. Then you could decide to keep all products and get 25% off your total, plus they take the styling fee off of the $25. If you don't, you can pick and choose, or if you don't like it, you could send the whole box back. What I'm going to do is actually leave my link below. If you want to try Stitchfix for free for your first month, you want to sign up, I have a referral code I'll put down below. So if you click on that, you can get your first Stitchfix for free. So keep watching. It came in the mail. I'm going to open it with you guys. I have no idea what's inside at all. So please stay tuned to see, and we'll start opening this. Okay, so I'm going to open the box right now. Let's see what's in there. I have no idea what's in the box. So what you get in the box is your return baggie for what you do not want to keep. Also, in here is your price sheet, which I don't look at until the end because I don't want it to influence any choices that I make. One things I did ask for is I'm going to Miami, and I was asking for a maxi dress, like a black one, and to stay under $50 for all the products, because some of the boxes that I've received have been quite expensive lately, and I asked for them to be a little bit cheaper. So I want to see if my stylist is still Kylie. I'm going to check and see right now in this, and I'm not going to look at the products because I want to be surprised. So, yep, it's still Kylie. So I just wanted to check and see if it was still her. Okay, let's get into the box and get into the bundle. Here's my bundle. Let's see. Wow, there's some burgundy in there, some patterns, some gray. I don't know if these are jeans or whatever, so we'll see. That's my bundle. You guys can see. I'm not quite sure of this pattern here. So let's open it. Open the bundle. Okay, the first top is from Nine Britain. It's really cute. It's like a baseball tee. And it is, let's see what the tag says. Nine Britain Brock Varsity Stripe Knit Top, extra small. That's kind of cute. I would definitely wear that. Maybe onto the plane to Miami. Okay. And, okay, let's go to the next one. And, oh, what is this? Nine Britain as well. This is the Nelly neckline detail midi knit dress. Oh, so it's a dress. Oh, this is cute. So, actually, this is really nice. I don't know. It's kind of, it looks tight. Oh, the top. It's kind of cute. I don't know if you can see the detailing, but there's like some strings here. So we'll have to try this on. It's a long dress. I guess that's the maxi dress they were telling me about and what I asked for. So, okay, now it's kind of cute. So this one here, I'm kind of about. I don't know what this could be. Oh, wow, this is another dress. Okay, okay. This is cute. This could be for Miami. This is, let's see, Pixley Verline Knit Burnout Maxi Dress. So they sent me 2 dresses. Okay, it's quite cute. It's long and it's flowy. Oh, I'm just scared you might be able to see through this. Oh, geez. Okay. Oh, no, you can't. It's like, oh, very cute. I'm excited. Okay. And the next is a burgundy sweater? Oh, no. It's a burgundy cardigan. So this is Emery Park Charlie cardigan in burgundy. This is pretty. It's kind of big. It's kind of large. So we'll see. It's really cute. Okay. And the next item in the box is, okay, so these, they got my size this time, right? These are the STS Blue Titania Skinny Jeans in the size 0 or 25. Here you go. There's no real, like, cuts or anything like that. The bottoms are normal as well. So these look like they might fit, but they also look kind of big. So what I'm going to do is try everything on and show you how it looks, and let's get to it. Try everything on. I'm going to read the letter from my stylist, Kylie. Hello, Kristen, and happy Fix Day. Exciting news. I believe your Emery Park cardigan that we have been looking for finally came through into inventory. Let me know if this is the correct cardigan. No, it's not the correct cardigan, because the correct cardigan I wanted was gray. Let me know if this is the correct cardigan. So she says, I kept with the extra small since it looks to be oversized, so let me know how it fits as well. For your request on a maxi dress, we didn't have a plain black one, but pulling ideas from your Pinterest, I pulled the Pixley maxi dress with a boho print and burnout for a formal look. You can even layer the Emery Park cardigan with this look or a jacket to keep it business casual for your work event. I also pulled a fitted midi dress in black in case that the color that you are already hoping for. In an edgy style, this is the closest to maxi dress I could find. I'll keep a lookout for the Honey Punch cardigan. Have a great trip to Florida. Love always, well, not love always. Always Kylie. Okay, and then this is the cards that they give you for the styling. There's the shirt, there's the black dress, there's the jeans. She didn't mention anything about the jeans, but I don't know. And then there's the other dress and the cardigan. So we'll see. I mean, I really don't remember asking for the cardigan, but whatever. So I'm going to go try these on, and I'll be right back. So here is top. It's cute. It's a little bit bigger. Fits, quite nice. And here are also the jeans. They fit okay. I mean, they're actually really comfortable. It depends on the price because I do have a lot of jeans. They're a little bit bigger in the back, but I think they maybe like shrink. But these are really cute. This outfit's really nice. So we'll see. We'll see. Okay, next is the little black dress. It's really cute. I really like the detailing right here. It's very slimming. Shows off the curves. And you can pull it as long as short. You can bunch it up. It's really cute. I just paired it with a pair of black high heels. So, I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one. Okay, next is this maxi dress. It is really pretty. It's very flowy. It cuts off here, so it's like kind of see-through down here. It's quite nice. It's very comfortable. Size extra small. It hits my feet at the exact right length. We'll have to see. Let me know your thoughts. I mean, it's pretty and all, but they said to pair it with this cardigan, which I am not a fan of at all. It's huge. I mean, for somebody small like me, this looks like a grandma sweater. Like, this is just not me at all. I look like a grandma. So this is a definite no. So here we go. Here's the prices. Okay, so for the 9 Britain Brock Varsity Straight Knit, it's $38. I mean, it's cute. I would probably wear it, but I could probably find this at Kohl's for like $15. But we'll see. Okay, the next is the Pixley Verline Knit Burnout Maxi Dress. Ugh, $68. I think it's this one. Hold on. Yeah, this one. I really like this. I could probably wear this to work even after the meeting. It's actually really pretty. Okay, and next is the STS Blue skinny jeans for only $55. That's actually not that bad. They're not that bad for $55. Next is the Emery Park Charlie cardigan. Ugh, $48. I think this is so large on me. I would have bought the whole box if this was not in it. Next is the 9 Britain Nelly neckline detail midi knit dress, $54. So I like this dress a lot. It's really cute. I don't know. Can you guys help me decide on what to buy? The total was $263. Buy 5 discount 25%, which would save me $65.75. And then my styling fee of $20, which would bring it down to $177.25. It's not that bad for all those pieces. If I just bought the one maxi dress and the other one, it would be $120. So to have the other pieces is actually a good deal. So I'm going to think about it and decide what I want to do, because I'm really torn on that burgundy cardigan. It's huge. I don't know if I would ever wear it. So like I said, you could try Stitchfix for free. If you want, I will leave my referral code down at the bottom. Just click on that and you can get styled for free. It's definitely worth it. I liked my whole box. The only thing that tore me was that cardigan. Kylie's my stylist. She's really good. She's been with me the past 3 boxes. This is my 3rd box. Let me know if you still want to see these unboxings. So like and subscribe, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.